Hi and good day, everyone. This will be our coverage of our midterm um, exam. Kung hindi karon ma-stop, so that would be our coverage of our exam. Okay. Anyway, this is also part of the. I think if it not mistaken, it is week number two ata or three. So we will not proceed on the other module if we will not finish this on the certain period. Okay, do ka prerequisite sa klase sang discussion. So on our discussion with the previous, we discussed the different process model from the processing maturity from level 1 up to the last level of the maturity of level number 4. So that's for the excuse me, for the prelim period. So we will continue our discussion naman sa mga models naman. Although naagyan nyo ni sa inyo nga system analysis and design, since ang system analysis is one of the prerequisite of this software engineering. So that's why in software engineering, dapat may idea ka na kung ano ang mga flows ng system, no? Especially you are already encountered the different paradigm or schematic paradigm of on how to develop the system, no, such as your waterfall, your spiral, your rapid application, and the different model or technique and strategies and methodologies with regards to your developing the system. So that's why gina-introduce una si system analysis and design before si software engineering. Kay si software engineering is ano na lang mo medyo ang recap sa systems analysis and design. So we will start or begin our discussion on the linear sequential model. Okay? And by the word linear sequential, the term itself, actually you have an idea on what this kind of model is all about, because when you say linear, sequential, and processes, may pasunod siya nga na involvement na with regards to the development and processing the system itself on whatever system that you are going to develop. And actually, no, it's pretty much simple with regards to the system. Kaya syempre ma-start kita ya from from the beginning. Even though if it is a what you call this one? Re-engineered or engineer, no? Kaya kamagamit ang re-engineer about sa limon existing system, tapos i-redevelop mo lang or most probably i-improve mo lang. Kung magambal kaya nga engineer, but sa lingon, ma-start ka gilya from scratch. You will be the one who will handle the data gathering, planning phase, the designing phase, the storyboarding, and so on. Kung anong yung manang imo nga, no? Kung anong yung manang inyo na-encounter on developing your system, especially right now that you are on the process of the development, kay na ano no na gani na na ano yun na to na surpass nyo na or na achieve nyo na ang inyong goal to get the title of the system that you are going to develop, meaning you have already the right track on how to develop it, no? So but sa lingon maano na kung you can start with the development process, no? So but sa lingon napasunod yun na, no? I hope, no, excuse me, napasunod yun ang inyo nga ano ni nga nga model on how to, or I mean, or the cycle kung paano nyo sugudan ang inyong nga ano, no, nga system or ang inyong ginatawag study. Okay, so linear and sequential model is very important also as a model, no, but normally ginagamit niya siya sa mga long term process, no. When you say long-term process, though Arab lang gagamit ka mo sang, I mean, kung mag-develop ka mo ni, dapat ang inyong time frame, medyo, somehow, medyo, quite a little, longer, no? Especially when you're developing it sa mga big company. Pero kung mga small scale lang ang mga company, then this is the not the right choice of the model that you're going to choose with, no? Mas namin ni saya sa mga large scale kay nga makaano ka mo maka-plan ka mo sa maayo, no? But the advantage of this is this kind of model can actually give you an insight kung paano ninyo i-construct or ano nga yun, i-develop, no, no, from the data gathering and so on. So sequential or I mean linear and sequential model is very ano also ng important kung mga ano mga lawigay nga mga project, especially sa mga large scale project. Kay ano na sa mo mas effective ni siya kung kay ano sa mo it will not proceed to the next step or next phase kung wala natapos ang first phase. Or siyempre, uncontrollable man nga mga ano, no, nga mga instances nga kung ang mga processes hindi matapos, so I mean mayara nga mga kulang, you can go back, no, to the first stage or first phase. Pero dutay na lang, no, mga minimal na lang ang mga error ang inyo nga i-solve, no. So that's why linear or sequential model can be implement for those development nga medyo mas ano sa may ara nga time frame nga malawi. Okay, so as you can see, this kind of model is suggested to be systematic. Sino nga systematic kani ano sa do ka orderly, no, wherein you can proceed to the next stage or next phase kung wala natapos or hindi klaro ang phase number 1. Now, as I have said, there's no such thing as a perfect nga system, no? So meaning ang system niya do gradually do ano siya do what you call this one, updatable, no, maintainable. That's why may harata nga mga after sales nga mga ano, no, nga mga feature. When you say after sales, once nga ma-implement yung isa ka system, meaning dapat may ara gid tao nga naga-monitor if there are discrepancy or there are lacking or probably there will be do ka improvement, no, with regards to the system, no, naging implement. So that's why it is um, very systematic ng ginatawag. Ang medyo ano man ano, ang medyo complex man lang with the implement the I mean after the implementation of the system is the ano na lang is the what ko this one, the after sales, no, after the implementation. So dara na ang medyo damo ga occur ng mga problem because you will not know what what would be the ano the impression or kung ano man ang mga may may encounter nga problem sa mga user, no? Kaya nga aton di gina-satisfy not only the ano no, the higher level or mga bossing naton, parang ang mga supervisor, the CEO, the COO, the manager, no? So hindi lang na silang aton gina-satisfy, no? Siyempre gina-satisfy naman ang mga pinaka lower rank sang nagagamit sang software or maybe hardware nga nagagamit sa imong implementation, no? Kaya normally ang damo nga mga reklamo is no, those nga mga lower rank nga mga rank and file nga mga user kay syempre they are not what you call this one, knowledgeable, no, with regards to the system that you are already implemented, no, on a certain organization, company, or establishment, no? So it will start, no, on the system level, then it progresses to the analysis, design, coding, testing, and support. Yeah. So amo ni ang mga stages or phases that you're going to encounter once you're in the real world of the development or software development or whatever software that you want to develop or application that you want to develop, no? So may ano ginaya, may ano ganyan, gradual na change, no, nga ginatawag, no? Because ang iyong objective is to satisfy those user that you are using the system, no? Just like man sa mga games, no, nga ga-update sila kay tungod may mga ara sila nga dapat pa i-add. It's because also of the monitoring of the system that they are already implemented, no? Kay kamo mismo gina-test nyo man ang software basi may mga kulang, so that's why may ata mga updates yung natawag. Okay, so these are the following activities with regards to the linear sequential model, nga model naton, no? Sorry, tell you, linear sequential model. So the first one will be your system information engineering and modeling. So because software is always part of the larger system or even on the business, works begin with by establishing requirements for all system elements and then allocating some subset of these requirements to a software. Okay, when you say allocating, so kung mayara mga information with regards to the engineering, so dapat you need to what? To identify the requirements sa mga element na with regards to the people who are affected with that kind of development, no? So syempre sa isa ka ginatawag nga organ nga ano sa development, okay lang na kung ano na no, gagmay lang, no, mga simple project, no, sa mga school project okay lang na yan miski ikaw lang nga kaya mo na, no, without the ano no, miski hindi ka na mag-create group, no. um excuse me, if you have read, no, some of the student, no, may harato ganito sa demo. I don't know what's the, you know, I don't remember the name of the school, no, nga sa thesis siya lang yung isa gani, no. So I don't know kung manggarangon siya nga estudyante kay but anyway, so nagano siya, nag-develop siya sang iya nga hardware and software interfacing, okay, para sa plant, anong ginatawag sa ano sa may agriculture. Pero siya lang yung isa. No? So it's ano no, it's very challenging kay una sa financial nga status. So why ta kabalo kung maybe so, kung manggaranon ka then probably you can support your own. No? Pero kung hindi ka mo na ka financially no, financially supported, no, by your parent or probably guardian, so hindi ba gid masustainer ang imo nga ginatawag nga mga element because one of the requirements also in development is siyempre, no, whether we like it or not, money, no, ginatawag financially dapat miyara ka nga allocation with regards to the man, no, to the financial nga matter, no. Hindi ka man pwede nga mag-develop kung wala ka financial, Unless na lang kung gin-hire ka, then financially, so pwede ka ma-consider as financially stable. No? Pero kung ga-develop ka, especially sa inyo sa mga thesis, no? So, um, financially, so medyo ano siya, no? Medyo somehow alanganin sa tinatawag. So, isa sa mga subset of the requirements in developing the system, especially when you are interfacing hardware and then the software. No? So that's the first one. So, if you try to observe the ano here, the figure, so amo ni sa ang stages ang aton nga ano no, nga linear sequential model. No? So, syempre, una, you have to analyze. No? So medyo masakit-sakit giman no? Sa ulo ang ginatawag na analysis. No? Because you're not only analyzing software, you're not just only analyzing the software itself, but you need to analyze also excuse me, the compatibility issues, no? Magsin nga compatibility issues ang ano no, ang ang issue within the hardware and the software. Okay, not all the time na din ang hardware and software nagaano gid naga-unite, no? So you need also to found out I mean to find out what's the cause why the software and the hardware are not communicating perfectly or harmoniously. So you need to analyze. And the second nga medyo mas masakit is the design. No? So after you analyze those requirements, so you need to have also a good design. No, even me, my weakness, no, is the designing part. No? So medyo may ano ko may mas nabudlayan ako mag-design because sa designing pa lang it takes me a lot of hours, no, sometimes days or even a week, no, para maka-come up ko sa good design, no. Kaya syempre you need to consider the color combination, the contrasting of the color, the text, and so on, no? May edit ka pa mga picture, kung ginano mo lang siya, kung ikaw lang isa, then most probably you will not finish the project, no, in a short period of time. No, kung gaan ka lang the deadline for a month, no. So most probably you need to outsource your design. So that's why yung iba nga mga company nga gahandle mga web development, and I think you can see it on the LinkedIn, you can see it on the Upwork or any other platform for the freelancer. Napangita sila mga outsource na mga people or person that uh, most probably are expert or knowledgeable on a certain field, no? Especially on the designing, because not all developer are born to be a good designer. May ara gid nga designer gid no, on the ano pa lang ano, on the beginning. So do mo ning hilay nga gift no. So ginatawag nga gift. I don't know kung na-agree ka mo sa ginatawag nga ano no, nga nga designing, kung sagad sagad ya mag-ano ya mag-analyze sa mga colors, how would you organize the design, the layout. So maybe you are involved in that kind of field. So that's why mas for me no, mas budlay sa akon ang designing kay hindi ako ano gid na anad sa mga designing gid. Simple designing will do, but in advanced manner, no. I think I cannot do that also. Na? So, syempre, you have also the code. So, that's why sa inyong team, may aragid nga dapat, may aragid mo kuhaon nga mga, ano, nga mga upod nyo. Okay? So, may aragid mo yung upod nyo, nga tanda mag-design, no? uh, sagad mag-code, sagad mag-test. Anyway, anybody can test. Pero normally, kung mag-test ka dapat, knowledgeable ka man siyempre. Kung sining knowledgeable ka sa mga technical issues with regards to the software or the hardware that is already implemented or should be implemented or would be implemented and to be implemented. Okay, I hope you get what I'm trying to derive now. So, so that's for the diagram of the system or information engineering. Now, provided kung anong nilang yung system, so four of them are go hand in hand. No? So, dapat mapili ka mo niya. So, that's why company are always looking for those people or persons na sagad or expert on that field. So, that's why you need to collect, I mean, not collect, no? You need to show them your portfolio. Kay subong ang butterfly subong is to have your own portfolio. So that's why may mga GitHub kita, no? Or any other nga mga mga platform on the web that can show your talent, your expertise, your project. So that's the ano nga ni, competition right now. Kung sa una ang competition is all about skills, right now naman niya, aside from the skills, no, because skills can make it through there, but this time um if you have portfolio, it's a plus, no, or advantage on your part. So that's why miski eskwela pa lang kamo sa TUP Subong, so that's why may hara mo dapat nga mga portfolio ng mga project or whatever project you want you come up in mind. You study it, research it, then you try to make step 1, no, miski step 1 ang anay din kung doon na step 2, step 3, no. It can either be kita ka sa imo nga partner, no, or you can do it on your own. Depende sa gani, no. Depende gani kung gusto mo may partner ka, then go for it. If you want i-solo, go for it minapon. Make sure lang ya kung solo ka, kaya mo tanay ubrahon ng apat ni kabilog. So that's the challenging part of the freelancer. Okay? No, so anyway, medyo naglawag yung sa diagram ta. So next to the system information engineering and modeling, so we'll proceed on the software requirements analysis, which is one of the vital part on the development, no, because you cannot create um, um, a certain software or hardware and software or system kung wala ka sa ginatawag nga requirement analysis. Kaya syempre kung may magsilang nga requirement gani, ang sila ng prerequisite. Dapat pasunod or dapat kumpleto ng mga data. So the requirement gathering process is intensified and focus specifically on the software or probably hardware, not only on the software. To understand the nature of the programs to build it, the software engineering of the analyst must understand the information domain. Magsiling nga information domain na ang nakabalo. Magambal nga domain yan ang nakabalo yun. That's why may harata ka project manager, may harata programmer, may harata analyst, may harata database administrator, database designer, and so on, etc. and so forth. So doon nga. So, siyempre, kung hindi ka kabalo, hindi ka magpa-hero. Hindi ka magpa-hero-hero. Kung hindi ka kabalo, don't hesitate to ask, no, to the higher domain. No, doon mo nang sa pinaka. So, meaning, kung nag-ask a question, meaning, it doesn't mean nga kung sa ano pa, it doesn't mean kung nag-ask a question, but silingon do, ano ka nagid, no, do, hindi ka knowledgeable. Knowledgeable ka man gyapon. O galing niya lagi portion, no, nga hindi tayo kabalo. So kung hindi ka kabalo, ano mo mangkot ka gid. Or else you'll be the one who will affect all the group or the team. No, kung hindi ka na kabalo ya kag nagsala ka sobra mo, O sino maapektuhan? Siyempre, ang imong nga coworker, ang imong nga team, no, sa inyong nga project. So that's why requirement analysis is very important. If it is hardware man siya or software, ang ginagawa. Okay? Next one is the design. So, siyempre, very, ano man na siya, very straightforward. Software design is actually multi-step process that focuses on distinct attributes of a program. No? Included in the data structure, software architecture, interface representation, procedural, no? Or object-oriented. Mabase na sa inyo yung mga design model kung anong gusto niyo mo i-implement. No? Next one is cogeneration. So, which is very, ano lang, no? Very, maybe not that so easy. But cogeneration takes a lot of effort and at the same time, based on the requirements and the design. O syempre, alam nga mag-code ka da karon ginaano mo lang na, ginapalagpatan mo lang. So, kung ginpalagpatan mo na karon hindi ka na, wala ka naga-code. Ngano ka na, encoder ka na karon. Hindi ka, why ka na yan naga-code according sa iyang mga requirements. Ga-code ka lang yan because ga-code ka lang kay ginatag lang sa imo nga subordinates na ma-code ka lang. So hindi kaya software development. Ang panawag sa imo is encoder. No? Kaya yung encoder ya, kaya ang encoder ya gopalo lang niya kung anong iyang format, gopalo ang iyang organization. Magsiling nga code generation yan, dahil na daang ginatawag na analysis nga ginatawag. Okay? Then we have testing. So, syempre. So, kung every time that you have a code and compile it, so automatically you are testing it. Okay? Then support. Now, the last one will be the support. Software will undoubtedly undergo change or changes. Now, amo ni ginambal ko bago lang sa inyo ang ginatawag nga after effect. I mean, no. Not the After Effects, so software na galing After Effect. It's after sales nga ginatawag. After the implementation, what's gonna happen? So, dapat doon na doon na predict or na foresee nyo na pag-implementation, you are expecting if so this one, ang madamo nga pamangkot, no? No, on the different department. It can either be on the supervisor, it can either be on the lower rank position of the employee or the CEO, so COO, no? So unang mga ginatawag na what you call this one, support. Kay somehow ang ilang mga feedback can help us, can help you to improve, no? the usability and the flexibility of the system, especially on the maintenance maintenance ng side or enhancement or improvement ng side, no? Kay do amo ning medyo malawig-lawig nga part. So that's why sa mga software development nayara sila nga mga tech support. Kasi mga call center panawag nila tech support. Sa ato naman niya panawag da mga after sales nga mga support. So may mga toll free kita, may mga ginatawagan ta ng mga service center, no? Amo nang mga ginatawag na support. No? So among the problem that are sometimes encountered when the linear sequential model is applied. So these are the encountered problem sa ginatawag na sequential. No? Real project rare follow the sequential flow that the model proposes. Okay. So anong ginamention na di? Because not of the time, the process is being followed, no, on the model na gina-propose nimo. But mo to ganing ginambal ko nga ang change is very constant katama sa kalibutan. No? Maybe the sequential right now that you're planning with into your mind is not workable in the sense that may bag-o naman nga mga approaches or techniques and strategy with regards to the making the project. So una do ano lang no, waterfall. So time na mo na una waterfall lang, spiral, o the linear. So bang may mga agile. No, do na mo na klase nga mga flow or models or methodology nga maka-help sa aton mag-develop or mag-create isa ka system. So, niya sa aton kung paano na i-adapt the so-called change nga ginatawag. Okay? Now, it is often difficult for the customer to state all requirements explicitly. Now, the linear sequential model requires this and has difficulty accommodating the natural uncertainty that exists the beginning of many project. So anong ginamin sinasang sining statement na on number 2. So as stated here, no. So it is often difficult for the customer to state all requirements. So that's why may ara nga guidance para sa aton. Kay amo tong ginambal sa next sa unang ano nga nga ginaano ta sa requirements, dapat may ara ka mo ginatawag na expert. No, ang ginamin sila di isang domain sila di is the expert. Nga kabalo. Kabalo gid ya. Maybe he's not good in mathematics. Maybe he's not good in the other aspect. But he or she is good on a certain specialization with regards to your system development. No? So that's the ano the number 2 talks all about. Okay. Then we have number 3. Customer must have patience. So sinabi nga patience is a virtue. A working version of a program will not be available until late in the project time span. So a major blunder if undetected until the work program is reviewed and can be disastrous. So meaning, I don't know, no? So miyara kang daan nga project nga gingkuha. So ang ginaminsan isang number 3 is that although the patient is giving you a timeline because along the way sa inyong development may mga ano ginaya, may mga problems, mga error that you need to address with before going to the other problem or to the other requirements nga ginatawag. So syempre we need also to explain to the customer and they should be patient on the development. Kaya ang development nga ginatawag development kaya tungod we need to do this one at a time. Kaya wala ta niya ginapalagpatan, especially if it is involved kwarta or money. So that's the dilemma of number 3. So, hindi ka pwede lang niya kapadali. Dapat i-consider mo ang tanan. Okay? The next one will be your prototyping model.